Today is a first alert weather day. The rain will continue through the afternoon commute, and all eyes on Hurricane Melissa. Currently a Category 2 hurricane, already made landfall over Jamaica as a Category 5 hurricane this morning, made landfall over Cuba as a major hurricane. It is now a Category 2, and Melissa not done yet. Will bring impacts across the Bahamas and then into Bermuda. We will have the latest track for you throughout the afternoon on Atlanta News First and on our First Alert weather app.